Coming to you live from far, far away, it's Swamp Talk with Shrek and Donkey.
Today, how to get rid of hiccups. Step 1, find a nearby ogre and have him give you a good scare.
You mean like this?
Ah! Not scary. You're just a big old gentle giant and everybody knows it.
This ought to do it. This morning, I ate all the waffles. They're gone.
Oh, please, I hid like 50 under a haystack yesterday. Come on, Shrek, say something really scary.
The big bad wolf's behind you.
So, he and I are cool.
The evil queen's behind you.
You know what? I don't think she is.
I haven't bathed in 5 weeks.
Ooh. Well, this is Swamp Talks, how to get rid of hiccups. Well played, Shrek.
Wait. Don't forget to subscribe. If you do, I'll give you a headbutt. That's ogre for thank you.